Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how easy it is to update check statuses in ChequeSystem. This is crucial for keeping track of your finances and ensuring accurate record keeping. When you create a new check in ChequeSystem, its status is automatically set to outstanding. This indicates that the check has been issued but hasn't yet been cleared by the bank. The check status helps you quickly identify which checks are still pending and which have been processed. You can change a check status to clear once you've confirmed it's been cashed. There are two convenient ways to change a check status. First, let's look at how to modify the status directly from the check record. Locate the check you want to update and open it. This will bring up a detailed view of the check information. You'll see a field labeled Status. Currently, it shows outstanding. Simply click and select Clear. Once you've made your selection, click the Save button to save the change. Now, let's explore the second method, changing the status directly from the checklist. In the checklist, select the checks you wish to update. You can select multiple checks at once. Then, right-click on any of the selected checks. A pop-up menu will appear. Choose Change Status and select Clear. The status of selected checks will be updated. And that's it. You've successfully updated the check status using both methods. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.